greater, remember our greater than sign. If 10 is greater than 2, then we want our car to move forward by 10 centimeter. As you can see, forward 10. It should move forward and also move backward. And then finally, remember, you have to end your code. And you end it. Okay. Right. So now what is the answer you watching? If 10 is greater than 2, then forward 10 centimeter and backward 10 centimeters. So we expect the car to move forward and backward. Is it? Yes, because 10 is greater than 2. So let's watch it now. So we expect the car to move forward and backward. Let's start somewhere here. Okay. Okay, so I run the code. Run. The car moves forward 10 centimeter and backward 10 centimeter. Did you